Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Dina Dianatul Oromia. I'm an English teacher, and here I will explain you about how do we use the Screencast-O-MATIC application. Okay. The first step, we have to go to https://screencast-o-matic.com and click on the recording for free button. Here the example. So for the first step, click on the stop recording for free. Here the example of stop recording for free. So the next step, we click on the launch free recorder option. Here the example screen recorder, and then you have to click the picture of launch free recorder. And the third steps are, this pop-up window may appear when we try to launch the recorder. If it does, click on Open Screen Recorder Launcher v2.0, like this, the example. But if we don't want this window to appear again, check the box that says always open these types of links in the associate app. This is the example. Then edit the setting for record. For editing the setting for recording method, size, and also narration. Here the example. The size can be adjusted to 480 pixel up to 720 pixel, and the window on our computer that was active or full screen, the size about 2080 pixel. Or we can adjust which microphone to use for the narration, or we can turn it off if we didn't want to use it. Here the example. You can edit the setting for recording method, size, and narration, right? So after that, select preference. Here the example of preference. Then edit the setting for record. For editing the setting for recording method, size, and also narration. Here the example. The size can be adjusted to 480 pixel up to 720 pixel, and the window on our computer that was active or full screen, the size about 2080 pixel. Or we can adjust which microphone to use for the narration, or we can turn it off if we didn't want to use it. Here the example. You can edit the setting for recording method, size, and narration, right? So after that, select preference. Here the example of preference. To set hotkeys for various commands. When you are done with the settings, and then click the close button. Here the example of click the close button. So oh yeah, for this information to you all, maximal time and computer audio for recording cannot be changed in the free version. And then if we use the free version on this application, we cannot change maximal time. The example, we add the maximum of time, we cannot, right? Because we use the free version of this application. Okay, the next step, if we want to adjust the area being recorded, to manually change the size of the recording window, click the drag the white handles on the corners or sides of the frame to change the location of the recording window, and then click and drag and central rows. Here the example, you can change the size being recording, maybe, yes, you can click and drag the white handles here, side, the corner or side of the frame, right? Here the example. So we start recording, click the record button to start recording your screen. Here for the recording button, if you want to start the recording, you click the record button here. After that, click and drag the playback bar to move the window as it is recording. Here the example. Then click the pause button to temporarily stop recording, right? Then you have to click the pause button to temporarily when you're stop record the recording, right? Or the video, or maybe the recording, and then pause button. After we finish recording, to resume the record, click the record button, and to preview our recording, click the play button. So to jump to the next or previous point, we can pause the recording with click the next or previous rows, and to clear the recording and start over, click the trash button. Here the example, right? You can check and also you can try it. Finally, the ending of all steps, when we are ready to save our recording, and then click done, and then you have to save the recording you have recorded. Okay, for the steps, and also I have to explain you about how do we use the Screencast-O-MATIC application, and then thank you for your attention. I hope you can use it very well in your speaking skill, and also I hope this application will be benefit for you all in improving your speaking skill. Thank you very much. Goodbye.